Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to blur a face in a photo using Canva. To blur a face from a photo in Canva, first of all, open the Canva application on your mobile device and then go ahead and open up an existing design or create a new design and add a photo in it. I'm gonna select a pre-made design by myself. Once you open up the design with a photo where you want to blur the face in it, simply go ahead and look for the photo in the preview section and tap on it, which will select the photo. Now go to the bottom menu and look for the FX or the effects option and tap on it. Inside effects, look for blur option and then select the size of your brush with this white little panel, and also you can select the intensity of the blur. Now once you have selected your brush size, go ahead and zoom in on your screen and select your face area that you want to blur out. Now with the help of your finger, trace the area of your face you want to blur out within the image, and you will be able to see that you've blurred out your face from the image. Now you have successfully blurred the face from your photo. It will now be saved like this, and that's how you easily blur out the face from an image using Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.